Hey folks, welcome back to the Feroz Moto channel. Today we are doing a maintenance mod on the M3. It has been a while, I want to say maybe 2 years. Probably should have done this earlier, but we have some replacement OE wiper blades on the car. So I haven't done this before, but I seen a video and I think it's pretty straightforward. I'll open them here so we could take a look. But here we have our new wiper blades. So I think you're supposed to, replace these ever so often. Something cheap. I believe I got these for $30, so I found FCP Euro. So it's not too bad, and then they have lifetime replacement, as you guys know. So not a bad deal whatsoever. So I'm gonna place this guy here and here. I believe these are the clips that just keep it in place. And I'll show you guys how to put the car in like a diagnostic type of service mode. So we're gonna hop into the car. And then we are going to open the window so I don't drive, or I'm gonna open the window so I could breathe. But you're gonna hold the stock down until it goes 4 times. Boom. So now it's stuck open, and then we can now work on these wiper blades. So if you have it like that, I think you can now pivot this back. And I think there's just these little clips here that you squeeze and pull out. Boom. So there's one. You mind taking this? And then we'll do the same with this guy. You just squeeze from the side and boom. Cool. So I don't know if it's side specific. Yeah, so the driver's side's the bigger one, and then this guy's a smaller one. So that's fine. And then since we have the opportunity now, I'm going to first put them on. But you should also clean the windshield just to make sure that you're not going to have any more issues on the screen that could possibly ruin it, because this is your one chance, to make sure it goes right. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this guy here for a second, put this in my pocket, and then yeah, I think it goes like that. And you're in. Yeah, it feels like it's on. Let me just check the side here. Yeah, seems okay. Yeah, let me just... Yeah. So it looks like it seats in just perfectly fine to these sides here of these little hooks, and we should be okay. Let me do the other one here. Upside down. You place it on. Have it latch in. I don't think I got this one right. And I think, yep, we're good. So there it is. It looks like it's latched in. So see, it has like these little hooks here. Looks like it recesses in perfectly fine. I'm gonna check the other side just so it's good. Yep, this side's good. That one I can't really tell, but I'm gonna get a rag and clean the windshield, and then I'll place these guys down. But let me just check the other side. Yep, and it looks good to go. Sweet, simple, easy. I will put it down. I mean, obviously mine are making all types of noises, so that's the reason why I did this, but they look pretty cool, pretty simple, easy to do. Hopefully I did it right. It's not gonna fly off, but ah, hell no. Ah, hell to the no. I think that was a straight pipe Camry, guys. Come on. Yeah, that is not what we want to hear. Granted, my car probably sounds just as bad, but is what it is. Okay, so yep, I'm gonna clean the windshield and we'll be right back.
This one looks clean.
Cool. Alrighty, so I got some Rain-X 2-in-1 glass cleaner and repellent. Just gonna liberally spray it, and then we'll just clean it. Thank you, Adriana. Flag's a little dirty, but it's okay. Make sure it's all clean.
Get the...
Yep, might want to spray more down there actually. I'll go get the spray again. Cool. Yeah, it's probably all rock chips. Just get that area good. And then I'll place it back and then we'll test. Because yeah, I mean, it would just keep squeaking and squeaking and squeaking. It would drive me crazy. And I know it could also really mar up your windshield, so.
How long has it been since you changed it?
Yeah, it's been like since I got it, I've never changed it. But I think when they did the one service, they did replace them.
Really?
So we'll see. But all right, so it's back down. It's still in that service mode, so I'll get in, I'll kick it out. Watch how they run. And I guess I'll hold back down and then I'll kick back. Boom. So here we go. I'm just gonna do a little.
Do you have to turn the car on?
Maybe. Do I have the key? Oh, I need to put the clutch in. Spray a bit and voila. Whisper quiet and we're good to go. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick little DIY. I know it's not, you know, a huge crazy job, but it is something you should not neglect or forget to do on your car. If you guys learned something, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is your host, Ryan, Feroz Moto, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Feroz Moto out.